Part 1. New words.
To love. To hate. I hate being late. We loved the trip. To enjoy. Enjoy winter sports. Enjoy walking. To decide. I can't decide what to choose. They decided to go to the beach. To remember. Remember your best holiday. Remember to close the door. To forget. Forgot. Forget about your lessons. I forgot the password. Inside. Outside. Play inside. Go outside.
Part 2. Grammar 1. Gerund after verbs. Love skiing. Like skiing. Hate skiing. Enjoy skiing. Start skiing. Begin skiing. Finish skiing. Stop skiing. Go skiing.
My friend enjoys walking in the mountains in the autumn. He loves spending time with his brother. She hates washing the dishes. She stopped reading and looked outside. We went home because it started raining. They went outside to play after they finished tidying their room. He likes playing chess with his best friend. He goes fishing every weekend.
Part 3. Grammar 2. To infinitives. Want to open. Would like to open. Need to open. Help him to open. Try to open. Remember to open. Forget to open. Decide to open.
I tried to make a cake, but it didn't go well. It's very sunny. You don't need to take your umbrella. They decided to climb that mountain. He never remembers to add sugar to my coffee. I forgot to book a room for our meeting at 5:30. Would you like to try our delicious wine? Our children helped us to bring the suitcases inside the house.
Part 4. Grammar and vocabulary. Gerund or infinitive.
Do you enjoy swimming in the sea? We love trying new dishes when we are on holiday. Why did you stop cycling? You can start writing your test now.
Part 5. Quiz.
What do they like? They like playing football. What did you do in the afternoon? We decided to visit the castle. What did they do after school? They went cycling after school. Do we have a reservation? No, I'm sorry. I forgot to book the hotel.